Okay, but one unique thing about this one is that it is onion and garlic flavored chinchin. Guys, if you taste it, don't worry. Okay, hi guys, welcome back. So today we are preparing chinchin. Yeah, chinchin. I came across this chinchin recipe about 5 years ago in 2016, and when I saw this recipe I was like, wow. I tried it out and it came out wonderful. In fact, I couldn't stop eating the chinchin because chinchin is one of my favorite snacks. Yeah, it's snacks time. I love chinchin so much. I'm not a fan of snacks. I don't like the rate at which I eat them, but I have a special love for chinchin. When it comes to snack, chinchin is my favorite. So I decided to share this recipe with you today. One unique thing about this recipe, this chinchin recipe from other, I know that people prepare chinchin on daily basis in their houses, okay, but one unique thing about this one is that it is onion and garlic flavored chinchin. Guys, if you taste it, don't worry, at the end of this video try it and tell us how the outcome is. Share with us the outcome. The taste is just out of this world. In fact, if you get it right, you wouldn't stop eating it until it gets finished. It happened to me, for real. So these are the things we are using. These are the things we are using. This is our multi-purpose flour, and I'm going to add a little milk, sugar. Yes, darling, what is it?
Drink water.
Okay, go ahead and drink water. And finally, the onion and garlic. The onion is already grated along with the garlic, so I'm ready to mix everything. First, I'll prepare the dough, and then I will roll out the dough and start cutting. I don't have a chinchin cutter, so I'm going to use my kitchen knife and do the dissecting. It takes a lot of time, but I will take you through the process. So let's roll. Let's go. In a bowl, add the multi-purpose flour. After that, you are free to add the sugar or the baking powder or any flavor you're using, or the milk, or even the ginger and garlic, assuming you are using this recipe. So I've added the multi-purpose flour, milk, and then this is the sugar. I won't add much sugar because I don't want too much sugar in my snack. Next, I will add the baking powder, next is the milk flavor, then the garlic and the onion. Then I'll mix thoroughly and start kneading. Guys, I had to remove my wig and my earring in order to knead this dough very well, and I will allow the dough to proof so that it can easily stretch, and then I will roll out the dough and start cutting into different shapes. So in this particular chinchin, I had to cut into small and the long shape. chinchin. Yeah, and then it goes into the frying pan. So guys, finally we are done in the kitchen. Our chinchin is ready and it came out well. I wouldn't say it is perfect because I used hand in cutting it, so the length is not so perfect, but at least something I cut with a kitchen knife. You wouldn't expect it to be so perfect like something a chinchin cutter. So maybe when I get a chinchin cutter, I will make a better one. So tell us in the comment section if you are going to try out this recipe, and if you do, share with us. Let's see how it turns out, and tag us on Instagram or even on Facebook so that we can also share it on our own page. Remember to follow us on our YouTube channel, Facebook page and Instagram page. And I will not test it, I will have to test it. So let me see. So crunchy. I love the crunchiness. Just as I anticipated. I love that combination of onion and garlic taste. Wow! Let me tell you one thing. When I was preparing it, as I was cutting it, the aroma was just floating into my nose. I was like, this thing is not ready, and I'm already salivating, and the aroma was, in fact, the aroma is too much. If you come around, I think you can just get a taste of it. I might finish this one this night. Yes, right now. I can finish this one right now. But it will be too much. Okay, I wouldn't. So guys, rate this chinchin and tell us what you think in the comment section. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, like it, love it, and don't forget to share with your family and friends. Okay, and I will see you again in my next video. Until then, stay healthy. Bye bye.